Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth. I'm a lecturer in artificial intelligence and I also run workshops in corporate and government settings. I'd like to take the opportunity to talk to you about AI is my Copilot course that I run in Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, Canberra and Adelaide, and also privately, and what's covered. First, we're going to set up profiles for GPT so that it can understand your corporate identity. These are base and system prompts that allow you to get better outputs because it understands more about what you need. Secondly, structured prompting. Garbage in, garbage out. How can you prompt better to get better outputs? Riffing on that theme is something called AI assistants, wrappers, or custom GPTs. And that is where we have a set of documents and we train the GPT on our work documents. It could be HR policies, financial documents, annual reports, job descriptions, standard operating procedures, a whole range of documents. So fine-tuning the model on your business documents. The course is a foundation course, so we cover things like Microsoft 365 Copilot and other Copilots and what that might look like for your organization. You also get to create some images using artificial intelligence, and we look at models and how to use private models that you can download and install on your laptop or your desktop. For example, Facebook, Instagram Meta uses Llama to run Facebook and Instagram's AI. And you can download the full version of Llama for free for your organization, open source, enterprise grade, for commercial use. It's brilliant. Just gives you an option other than running things in the cloud. We cannot have a course on AI without talking strategy, ethics, privacy, copyright. So as much as possible, I'll bring you up to date on those things as well. If you're interested in this course, please go to the AIM website and find out more information. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.